Alright, welcome back. This video is going to be on how to configure a simple product in your e-commerce store. So what you want to do is, I've already made this fancy wings product. It doesn't really have any info in it yet, but I'm just going to go ahead and edit this one. You can start from scratch or you can duplicate from another product. Doesn't really matter. So I've already set my title, my description, my category, pictures, and my long description or short description down here. So that's all configured. So what I really wanted to talk about in this video is how to configure the simple product right here. So as you can see in this product data tab, there's a couple different options. This video is going to be simple product. There's going to be other videos on these and more that we'll be adding in. So go ahead and check those out if you want to make more complex products on your e-commerce store. So right here in the product data, this is a simple product. There's two options up here, so we can make this a virtual product. If we do this, it's not going to ask for any shipping information or bill them for shipping. It's just going to be a virtual product. That's what that means. For downloadable, if we select this and do option right here, downloadable files, you'll have to add a file in here, and once someone purchases this product, this file will be downloaded to their computer. So that's the two options up here that we see. And there's also plugins to add more options up here, and options are endless, so keep searching for plugins. General, this tab, this is where we can set the regular price. So the regular price is going to be whatever you're going to be selling it at. So let's say $50. The sale price, this is optional. This is if you wanted to get the look where it has, if we put $40 in here, it'll have $50 crossed off, and right next to it, it'll say $40 and on sale. And you can actually schedule this as well to only go from a certain date. So right now I have a $50 price, but it's on sale for $40. So it's actually going to be sold for $40. And then you can choose if you want to have it taxable, and if you have any tax classes set up, you can set them here as well. So in the inventory tab, this is where you can set an SKU or an SKU to keep track of your inventory if you have a bigger shop. The manage stock right here, you can click on this, and then you can actually limit how many items you have for sale. So let's say you only have 5 items for sale. You can click on manage stock and then set it to 5, and only 5 people are going to be able to check out. After that, it's going to say out of stock. And then this next option, allow back orders. So you can change this to allow or do not allow, and if you change it to do not allow, as soon as 5 of them get sold, it's going to say sold out and no one can purchase any. But if you hit allow, then it's going to allow people to place the order, but it's going to notify them it's on back order, so they're not going to receive it right away. This low stock threshold, this is, you can set this to 2. So if it's set to 2 and you have a stock quantity of 5, let's say 3 people bought the product, and now you only have two items left of that product, it's going to notify you whatever you set here at that limit. So then the shipping, this is where we can set the weight of the product, the dimension, width, and the height of the product, if it's going to be shipped in an envelope or not. And declared value, this is items value sent with rate request for international shipping. And then also a shipping class if you have this configured in the back end as well. Linked product, this is where you can set upsells and cross-sells of different products in your store. Attributes, you won't really have to worry about this unless you're going to be doing a variable product. Advanced, you can set a purchase note, and you can also set a menu order, so you can choose where it's going to be ordered in your store, and you can enable or disable reviews here. And then these other options or other tabs are just kind of other content that isn't really necessary to configure for this product, only if you're really going to be going in and doing advanced things with your product. So if you have any other questions with actually configuring a simple product, go ahead and let us know, and then we'll be able we'll be able to help. So thank you for watching.